Hello guys, how are you doing? As usually you are on Tech Pro channel and with you Husraf Mahmad Janer. Today I want to talk about the brand new Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 5 Max, which was released a few days ago. I'm gonna talk about its performance, parameters and also camera. Yes, I don't have the phone right now, but don't worry, I will go to the official website and show you phone, its camera, its performance. But after about 1 month, we decided to order it from China, and as soon as possible, we'll make a new video with this phone. So guys, let's talk about the Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 5 Max parameters. Now I opened the official website where you can see the Turbo 5 Max. Let's be real for a second. The unveiling of the Redmi Turbo 5 Max represents a significant pivot for Xiaomi. While the big names are nickel and diming, as for pro features, this device just landed with a 9000 mAh battery. That's not a typo. We are talking about a power cell that makes the average iPhone look like a toy, and that's really an iPhone phone, because if you know, iPhones are really make small capacity batteries, but the Redmi Turbo 5 Max has 9000 mAh battery. It's one of the biggest batteries that ever had on Redmi phones. Now I want to talk about the key features. Well, I talked about its battery. Now let's move on to the chip. First device powered by the 3nm MediaTek Dimensity 9500S. Well, about its display, it has 6.83-inch display with 1.5K AMOLED colors and with 3500 nits peak brightness. And also I have to tell you about its refresh rate. It supports 120 Hz. It's really big for gaming. It's really smooth if you like watching movies or playing games. It features a CNS metal frame and a top-tier IP69K waterproof rating. It means resistance. And you can use your phone inside water, and with your phone nothing will happen. And it's right, it's really good thing in modern phones. We'll move on to charger. It supports 100 watt wired charging with 27 high-speed reverse charging support. Well, what it means, reverse charging? It means that you can charge other phones from your. Well, in this situation, your phone will place as a power bank. We will skip the Redmi Turbo 5 because we are not talking about this model. It was true released at the same day, but now I'm gonna talk about only the Turbo 5 Max. Maybe in the next videos I can review this phone too, if you want. Leave a comment, of course, if you wanna see this phone from me. Let's talk about its chip. The engine here is a MediaTek Dimensity 9500S. Usually these S variants are just watered down leftovers, but this one is built on a 3nm process. The big deal, right? It uses an all-large core architecture. Most chips have little cores to handle the easy stuff, but the 9500S just uses raw Muscle. I have seen the benchmarks and it's hitting 3.61 million on Antutu. Well, to be honest, it's really high score for this phone. You can run every game on this phone without any hesitance, you know. It won't lag. The FPS will be really high. If you're a gamer, you will care about the 3.73 GHz clock speed and the fact that it can actually run heavy 3D games at 2.5K resolution without your hands feeling like they are touching a stovetop, thanks to a new 3D8 cooling pump. Oh, that's a great technology. I think that's the first one where the Xiaomi company uses this technology. It means your phone will likely be like a refrigerator. You won't be any like coolers from AliExpress, from China, you know. Now let's talk about its battery again. Why 9000 mAh? Everyone keeps asking, is it a break? Surprisingly, no. Xiaomi uses silicon carbon tech. This is the same stuff high-end EVs are using to cram more juice into smaller spaces. At 8.15mm, it's thinner than some phones with half the capacity. Yeah, it is right. It is right. It also supports 100 watt PPS charging. The PPS part is key. It means you don't have to use Xiaomi's specific white cable to get fast speeds. A good MacBook or laptop charger will likely do the job. Plus, it has 27-watt reverse charging. Your phone is now officially a high-speed power bank for your friends. Oh, I also like this stuff because uh, older phones, Redmi phones wasn't accepting chargers from another brand. For example, if you are using iPhone or Samsung cables, the chargers doesn't give you the wanted your what? I think you got my point. Yes, I'm sorry for this. The global catch. Now here is the part that's going to annoy everyone outside of China. Once it inevitably rebrands as the Poco X8 Pro Max, we are probably going to lose that 9000 mAh monster. International shipping laws for high density batteries are a nightmare. Expect the global version to land with a 6000 mAh or 7000 mAh unit. It's still great, but it's not 4 days of heavy use great. If you want the full experience, you will have to import the Chinese version and deal with the Sunshine Orange or Ocean Blue models for $314 starting price. It is really wonderful price, guys. If I had the chance to buy a new phone, I will definitely go with this phone. It's hard to find a reason to say no. Yes, it's really true. Well, guys, it was a brief review from me. And what do you think? I think this phone worth for this price. It's orange color, it's white color. Here it is. It's navy blue color and black color. This phone looks like the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro. I have this phone on my hand. Design is really good. It has fingerprint on the screen. As you can see here, the camera. It supports 50 megapixel main camera. The front camera is 20 megapixel and the back camera is 8 megapixel. It's wide camera. Here's some pictures. As you can see, it really looks like beautiful. It has own AI. Well, you can generate your AI photos, videos. It's a new model on Redmi Wi-Fi Gamma. Thank you for watching my video. Leave a comment, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. I think this video was informative for you. As possible, we will order this phone from China and show the original phone for you guys. We just need your support. Please give it to us.